Hi, Sharon here. Now, the borders are opening up on the 1st of April, but are you sure that you can make it out of the country? Have you heard of a stoppage order? Now, a stoppage order is actually a travel ban imposed by the IRB to prevent people from leaving the country if they fail to pay their taxes, sums, or debts so payable. Now, stoppage order is actually imposed on individuals who fail to either pay their personal tax or their RPGT, real property gains tax. Or if say you're a company director, it may also involve your corporate tax for your company. So, how do you know that you are being imposed a stoppage order? Now, firstly, they will actually issue you a certificate to the address that you have registered with the IRB. Or if you did not receive a certificate and you're about to travel, you can actually check your status at the Immigration Department website. Or you can also refer to the nearest LHDN branch. Now, what can you do if you're being imposed a stoppage order? Now, there are several scenarios here. The first one, what you can do is to actually make a full payment of your outstanding tax payable as stated on your certificate by cash basis. Then you need to submit your payment receipt to the LHDN branch that handles your tax file at least 7 days before your travel date. This is to avoid any delay in processing your submission. Now, the second scenario is say you don't have sufficient cash, you can't pay such a big lump sum. What you can do is you can actually make an application for a temporary traveling release. Now, there are several conditions to this application. Firstly, you gotta present yourself at the LHDN branch that handles your tax file 5 days before your traveling date. And secondly, you need to submit an application that states your purpose of traveling, your destination, where you're traveling to, as well as your duration, how long you'll be staying there. Okay, and lastly, the IRB will want you to make at least 50% of your outstanding tax payable. Now, the last scenario is also the worst case scenario, and I hope this doesn't happen to any one of you, is if you got stopped at any airports or immigration exits. Now, don't panic. What you can do is actually go online, go to HASIL website and look for emergency contacts. Call them up and look for further assistance. So, if you do not want any of the scenarios happening to you, make sure to pay your tax on time. But more importantly, you gotta pay the right amount of tax. Meaning to say, not a single cent more, not a single cent less. Just imagine if you're able to save enough money by paying the right amount of tax to buy the things that you want. Wouldn't that be great? Now, if you do not know how to do that, we have the perfect solution for you. Just comment down below or PM us to find out more on how TaxPod can help you kiss your tax worries goodbye.